sweet girl. Hi. What? What do you see? What, Angel? Hi, love. Say hi, Dad. I'm doing my tummy time. Here. What's that, Mama? What's that? Is that a ladybug? Where are you going? Hi, Mama. Emma. Good job, Angel. Good job with that hair. That head. Good job.